Welcome to this quick guide on mastering the Axe Kick in UFC 4. Whether you're aiming to impress with flashy moves or just want to add some new techniques to your arsenal, the Axe Kick is a powerful and visually striking move. Let's break it down. The Axe Kick is a high powerful kick where you swing your leg down from above, making it ideal for catching opponents off guard. It's effective when timed correctly and can cause significant damage, especially if it connects with your opponent's head. To perform it on PlayStation, you hold the R1 button and press the triangle button for a high kick or a square button for a low kick. On Xbox, you will hold the RB button and press the Y button for a high kick or the X button for a low kick. To set it up, make sure you're at proper distance from your opponent. The Axe Kick is most effective when your opponent is slightly out of range, so you need to close the gap before executing the move. Use the southpaw or orthodox stance depending on which leg you want to lead with. The move is performed with your rear leg, so ensure you're using the correct stance for the leg you want to kick with. Now initiate the move while in a striking stance. Hold down the designated button and then press the kick button. The key here is to hold the button down to prepare the kick. Your fighter will lift their leg high and then bring it down in an axe-like motion. The longer you hold the button, the higher the kick will go. Try to time it when your opponent is about to move, or when they're distracted, to increase your chances of landing the kick. Head to the training mode and practice the Axe Kick against a stationary opponent. Focus on the timing and distance to get a feel for how it lands. You can also use the training dummies to stimulate different scenarios and improve your execution. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.